Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my no makeup look. It's super easy and super quick, so let's get started. So I'm starting off with my brows. I'm using my Morphe G29 brush and dipping that in my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the color dark brown. Since I already like the shape of my brows, I'm just going to be outlining them and then filling them in with the color. Now I'm just taking my Morphe spoolie and just blending out the color. So today I'm prepping my face with my Fenty Beauty primer, and I just use 2 pumps and use that all over my face. So my last step for my brows is to clean them up, so I'm going to be using my Milani 2-in-1 foundation in the color Tan number 9, and I'm just going to be using a concealer brush and outlining my brows. Now I'm just going to be blending that out with my makeup sponge. Now for my foundation, I'm using my Fenty Beauty foundation in the color 390, and I'm taking my Morphe E56 brush and blending that foundation out. I'm concealing under my eyes with my ColourPop foundation in the color Golden 40, and I'm just going to be blending that out with my Stila 33 brush. I'm going in with my makeup sponge to blend out any harsh lines. So I'm taking my number 1 brush and setting my face with my Laura Mercier powder. So I'm taking my number 3 brush and dipping that in my It's My Ray Ray palette, and I'm using the color Mocha. Going back into that same palette, I'm dipping my number 4 brush in the color French Toast. Next, I'm using my Shea Moisture blush in the color Peach Coral. So for mascara, I'm using my Shea Moisture mascara, and if you are wondering why this footage looks different, I filmed this video twice, and unfortunately I had some technical difficulties, so I had to use some of my original footage. For my lips, I'll be lining my lips with my Kylie Cosmetics True Brown Liner. Next, I'll be filling in my lips with my Kylie Cosmetics Gloss in the color Exposed. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.